condensate overflow can cause costly equipment damage before you know it. Literally. Catch and stop overflow fast with the Rectorseal Safe-T Switch Model SS2. The Model SS2 detects clogged air conditioner condensate drain lines and automatically shuts off the system to prevent water damage. The Safe-T Switch's compact design means it can easily fit into tight spaces. Additionally, the Safe-T Switch can be installed on both primary and auxiliary drain lines and oriented either vertically or horizontally, giving technicians plenty of flexibility to accommodate a system's specific needs. To install the Safe-T Switch, simply connect either the red or yellow wire and let the shutoff switch for the primary drain pan auxiliary outlet do the rest. Designed for low-voltage applications, the Safe-T Switch is compatible with most air conditioning units on the market. An adjustable ratcheting float level and magnetic reed switch provide quick detection and response to clogged drains. The SS2 is also equipped with a secure and easily removable cap, providing easy access for maintenance and float sensitivity adjustment without having to remove the cap. Versatile, dependable, and easy to install, the Rectorseal Safe-T Switch Model SS2 provides peace of mind for pros and homeowners alike. Get yours with fast shipping today from Supplyhouse.com. Learn more about this product here, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.